Hey there, I'm meteorologist Elizabeth Copeland. Today, plenty of blue sky to go around across western Montana, but those flooding concerns are still there for the northwest corner. Flood warnings in effect until further notice for the Flathead River near Columbia Falls, where that gauge sits above flood stage and minor flood stage until further notice. So keep in mind it will be dangerous there. Besides those lake wind advisories that just popped up across Flathead Lake, those are in those tan areas. A flood advisory is in effect for the Swan River near Big Fork Bay, kind of running around MT 83. So those areas are going to see rapid snowmelt with these warm temperatures over the next few days, and swelling of those areas could be possible of those rivers. Now, wind gusts are going to pick up Thursday. Temperatures take a slight drop. A dry cold front moves through. 25-35 mile per hour gusts expected. Temperature trend over the next several days gets up into the 90s early next week. Again, a quick drop in temperatures after a windy day on Thursday. That dry cold front brings in cooler air Friday. High pressure moves in for the weekend, and we stay dry and warm through midweek next week.